Hi everyone, Trudy here with Heal Wellness and Therapy. And today I am here not only as a yoga teacher, not even only as a physical therapist, but as a sleep coach, because I want to teach you one of my top tips for improving your sleep health. The number one sleep question that I always get asked is about sleep positions. So today we are talking about how to most efficiently sleep on your side. Now, not only do you need multiple pillows to sleep on your side, but you likely need some small towel or some small sleep support for underneath your waist. Now, how do you know if you're somebody that needs additional support for your waist? If you have larger hips and a smaller rib cage, then you are somebody who is more prone to sleeping on your side and being really out of alignment because of the ratio difference between your hips and your rib cage. If that's you, something like a small folded towel just above the pelvis when you lay down on your side will be the key to stopping from irritating those lumbar discs every single night when you sleep. The second most important thing about side sleeping is do not allow yourself to think that a single pillow for your head is all that you need. Did you know that over 45% of people who are side sleepers actually sleep a portion of their night on their back? If that is the case, a back sleeping pillow, which is nice and soft and very, very, very low in density, is very different than a side sleeping pillow that is equally soft but has a lot more density to it. So if you're somebody at home that strictly stays on your side, then you just need the right density of a down preferred or feather pillow to be conforming to your head but not keep pushing into your neck muscles all night long. If, on the other hand, you're one of these individuals that is a backside sleeper, you need variability with your pillows so that when you go from side sleeping to your back, you can take your back pillow with you. Now, finally, what kind of pillow is best for your legs? A big, heavy, dense pillow, preferably something that's made out of polyfill or memory foam, will be best to keep the alignment between your pelvis and your legs to take all of the tension out of your back when you sleep at night. Well, let's get to positioning. Laying on your side, one large, thick, dense pillow between your legs. Now, those of you that do have that tiny waist, remember it's a ratio difference between your hips and your rib cage. That tiny little towel, it has to sit above the pelvis. Once you know where that positioning is, the best thing to do is to take that towel and tuck it in underneath your fitted sheet. When it comes to your head positioning, allow yourself to take your side sleeping pillow, the big dense one, but preferably of a conforming material, turn and roll it up and allow yourself to rest down with your neck nice and supported. Now, if the pillow is not dense enough, meaning it's too small, what will happen immediately when you lay on your side, besides the fact that your head will be side bent, is you'll want to take that hand up and in and support your head. That's how you know your pillow is too small for you. So side sleeping pillows are usually of a much thicker size, but roll it up so that that neck has beautiful support. And if it's the right size, there'll be no need for that hand underneath. So then what do you do with your hands? Give yourself something to hug. Now, doesn't this look comfortable? My back is in a beautiful neutral position. My legs are nice and parallel to one another. And my head is in neutral. My spine is happy. Even the shoulder underneath me doesn't have too much compression on it if you're one of those individuals that has shoulder issues with side sleeping. This is how you sleep. Now, if you are a certain individual who has had a history of shoulder problems, but you just can't get off of that side, let me give you another tip. Take a really tiny flat pillow, like a head pillow that you would use for sleeping on your back, and place it underneath your rib cage. Then use the same pillow for your head and your neck. But what you've done now is you have fabulously unloaded that glenohumeral joint, also known as your shoulder, a little bit more. Then just kind of tuck that pillow up and around, and that beautiful shoulder will wake up happy and not compressed and angry in the morning. So there you have it. Big, large pillow for your legs, between the legs, from the very top of the legs all the way down to the ankles. Nice, heavy, dense memory foam or polyfill will do, but it has to be really thickly filled. For your head, the right size pillow for you. If that hand is coming up underneath, you know your pillow is not large enough for sleeping on your side. If you are a backside sleeper, use 2 different pillows so that you're moving back and forth between your back pillow and your side sleeping pillow. Finally, if you've got that tiny little waist, have something underneath you to support your spine. Or if you've got that rough shoulder that you love to sleep on, place something underneath your rib cage to let that be decompressed. Now, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.